Hi guys, and welcome to yet another unboxing of some DolmatenokToys. This is the other half of my dragon order. I placed them all at the same time, but she decided to send the dragons, this one, and this one. She sent them separately with the extra pots for my Banderig babies, but in this order, there is also some more Mandarake babies. There's two more that are in little domes like this one. And there's a duckling for Peridot. He is a cactus themed duckling, and at first I was gonna give him to Rouge, but Rouge has pink hair and the cactus has a green hat, and I figured he'd probably look better with Peridot, so I'm going to give him to her. And I actually already have a duckling on hold for Rouge with a pink flower hat, so that's gonna go perfectly for her. But let's get into this. Okay. Oh, so this arrived the same day as Peridot, which was Monday. So I have been waiting to open them with you guys. And I know that these videos aren't the most popular ones, but I love DolmatenokToys. She is absolutely incredible. She's working on all kinds of things. Look at these cute kitty stickers. Well, the camera wants to focus on all the cuteness behind. So, there we go. And these will be nice. I will probably use these when I scrapbook pictures of the girls with their little friends. So here is the box. She wrapped them all very, very nicely. I can see the cactus right there. Oh my goodness, do you see right here? So exciting. Okay. Okay. I'm excited. Oh. Okay. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. So let's just take everything out and open everything individually. Look at him. I mean, she makes the most incredible little things. I love him. I may drill a hole here and attach something to him so that I can hang him with his other friends. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, this is the duckling. I can feel it because it's soft. I love that she took the time to wrap them all and put these little handmade with love stickers on them. Super sweet. Maybe I can salvage these and use them as background for my scrapbook stuff as well. Oh yeah. Okay, so this little Mandarake baby is like a sprout. It's just like the beginning sprout. How cute is that? And he's so tiny compared to the rest of them. Oh my goodness. He is so precious. I love him. Okay. Let's take this out. This is probably a pop, so she already put the green in there, and he should set in there perfectly. Oh my gosh, look at that. wanted this flower because look at how yellow and bright it is. And it's all like, you know, I don't even know what kind of flower this is. But look at his cute little worried face. Oh my gosh, you guys. Isn't he the cutest little thing? Oh, wow. I'm so excited. Okay. Where's his pot? I think, oh, there's 3 pots in here. 1, 2, 3. So that's cool. Oop. Okay. Yep. And I always love the color yellow, so definitely loving him. Okay, next. Oh my goodness. It's like a magenta rose with water droplets. Oh my gosh. Isn't he gorgeous? And I apologize for the kind of crazy lighting because the sun is coming up and it's absolutely glorious this morning. But I'm in my light box, so anyway. Another pot. He's gonna look so great in pictures with both Eminence, my purple-haired girl, and with Rouge, my pink-haired girl. Okay. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. This is just a sleepy baby flower. Like, look, I didn't really even know. Like, this is one of her older ones. Like, she's had these in her shop, I think, for quite some time. But, oh, it's just a happy, sleepy baby flower. So absolutely precious. He can probably be for peridot too. Okay. I don't think he came with a pot. I don't think he's supposed to have a pot. So okay. Yes. The little daisy. Look at, even his eyes are different. I had somebody say that these little mandrake babies are kind of scary. They're kind of creepy, but they're so cute. And I'm like, I can see that. But I love them. I love them. And hopefully they will give me good planting vibes because I do not have a green thumb, you guys. I have never really tried to grow something, but in our new place, we are really hoping to grow some of our own food. You know, basic stuff like cilantro and tomatoes and maybe some onions and peppers and things like that. So, my mother is an amazing gardener. She has 2 full hands of green thumbs and fingers, and I'm hoping that she will help me out. Oh no, the leaf bits broke. But look at my cute little pink rose. Oh goodness, she is wonderful. Look at her. I love okay? Don't be sad. Well, so now I'm wondering, okay, there's a pot in here. Okay, there's 2 more pots in here, so this is good. Because I was like, wait a minute. Alright, we're gonna hide him for right now because he goes with the duckling. So, anyway. Like I was saying, my mom has always been very, very talented in that department. Oh goodness. I think some of the pots are broken here. So I'm just gonna leave them in the paper so they don't completely disintegrate. And then I will have to glue those back together. I believe this other pot is also broken. But that's okay. I will figure out a display for them if I can't salvage the pots. So we can just lay him here for right now. Oh my gosh, look at my little garden. So these are both in little glass domes, and they're not really flower babies. They're more like little herb babies. They look like little herbs, like little sprouts. So let's check them out and hope that they're okay. You know, the glass hasn't broken. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, the glass seems to be intact. So that's really good. Oh, I heard some things falling out of there. Whoop. I love this one because he's got 2 little like space buns of sprouts on him. Okay, let's see, he's all tangled up here. She packed them very, very carefully. Look at him. Oh my gosh. And his eye color and his little big swollen red nose. He's just so adorable. And the other one is like him, but he only has 1 of these in the middle. So we can try to put him back in. And I love how she sculpted their little hands to look like they're pushing up against the glass. Like, how precious is that? Okay. And the last, well, not the last one, but the next to last. Okay. Green paper. Ooh. Okay, same kind of deal. And all these little pieces falling off are just the little green sprouts that are, she makes them 3D, you know, like she's carves them or whatever. She peels them back, and they tend to break. And they're small enough that you don't notice that they've broken, really. But look at him. I love how chubby they are. And he's so cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. See, like, you can't really even tell that anything's been broken. That's really great. Oh my goodness. These are going to be so amazing on display. You can even probably put them in your kitchen with your herbs and your seasonings, and maybe like some plant, like some window plants. Oh goodness, they are just too precious for words. All of them. Okay, so you guys already saw the heart there, the little worried heart. Put it right here. Okay. And last but not least, my duckling, my cactus duckling. So she she's been making little friends to go with each duckling. And so we got a cute little cactus baby here. Oh, does he stand on his own? Yes, he does. Score. Okay. And then look at him. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Oh, he's amazing. Oh, I love him. Even his cactus. Look at his cactus has eyes. And of course these are, oh, his foot's slightly broken as well. But that's okay. Super glue will fix everything. Oh goodness. I love him. I love him. Wow. You guys, this was like a major haul. Major haul. I don't know where to put him. He's going to cover up everything else. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It's a lot longer than my other unboxing, but there's just so much cuteness in here. Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay. Stay tuned for photos and send me some good growing vibes. Like I said, I'm really excited to attempt to grow our own stuff once we're settled, so it'll be interesting. It'll be another part of our adventure, but I hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday, and thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.